We saw this earlier this year at CES, but we finally have our hands on the Lenovo Legion Go 2. This is the sequel to the Lenovo Legion Go that came out a few years ago. It's very similar in build, but there's a few key takeaways here that really differentiate this system from the previous. The big one, you can't really see it here, but this is utilizing the AMD Z2 and Z2 Extreme processors, which should give this more overhead and more horsepower to play more graphically intensive games. Now this is an OLED panel. This is a full HD 1920 by 1200p screen. It's a slight down tick from the original Legion Go. If you remember, that was a QHD screen, but it more than makes up for it thanks to its OLED panel. It also is 144 Hertz. It supports variable refresh rates as well, same as the previous. Yeah, look at how good this looks. This is Wheel World. Because this runs Windows, you can play your Xbox games on this as well as your Steam games and other games you'd find on any other platforms like that. So it acts as also a laptop for general use as well. These are Hall effect controllers, Hall effect control sticks. The face buttons are very similar to your standard Xbox controller. It is a little beefier than the previous Legion Go, but the additional space gives more room for improved thermals. And if you take a look at the sides here, you also notice there's just overall, the ergonomics have been greatly improved on this thing. This is just a lot easier to hold, a lot more comfortable in your hands. It's slightly bigger, but I really don't think it minds. It feels good in your hands, and which is exactly what you want out of a handheld since you're playing it on the go for a long time. I bet you want to know more about the Lenovo Legion Go 2, don't you? Don't you? Well, check out PCMag.com for more reviews, previews, and how-tos.